What's going on guys, it's Swoosh here and welcome to the unboxing, setup and review of the Fifine k678 USB microphone. So the guys over at Fifine approached me a few weeks ago to review their k678 USB cardioid microphone. Starting off with the unboxing, this mic is very well presented, giving me a great first impression straight out of the gate. First up, we are presented with a 2-year warranty that you have to register on their website, and also their user guide to help you getting started if need be. So the product is very well packaged, as you can see. It's protected very well with a thick housing of black foam. So removing the mic was straightforward, and I was pleasantly surprised at the build quality and the overall aesthetic that Fifine have gone with. What I noticed the most about this mic was just how premium it felt in hand. With its matte black finish and its durable metal construction, it's clear that a lot of effort has gone into making this microphone look and feel like a premium product. After a great first impression, I hope the sound quality can wow me just as much as the build quality did at first glance. We also have a male to female mic screw adapter if you're wanting to mount it to a suspension boom arm or a mic stand, and then lastly a premium USB Type A to mini USB cable that measures in at 6'5" for an easy plug and play experience. Like I said earlier, its presentation is executed very well and I can't wait to see how well this performs. So the k678 cardioid microphone is a 60mm diaphragm condenser mic that combines professional quality sound capture with the ease of plug and play USB connectivity on both Mac and Windows computers. It allows you to record your audio in high quality 16-bit 40kHz resolution without the need for an external mic preamp, audio interface and headphone amplifier. Looking at the mic's features, on the reverse side we have 2 volume controls, one to increase and decrease the mic's audio and the other to control the volume of your headphones for when you want to monitor your recordings. So on the front we have a small mute button which has an LED just above, and that's to indicate when we are live and also when we are muted. On the underside of the mic we have the ports for our USB cable, the mic adapter and also where your headphones will go. Now a quick mention to the stand, it has quite a few rubber grips keeping your mic stable from sliding or potential knocks. And then lastly, it's super easy to remove the mic from its stand, and also the nuts and bolts stay in place unlike other microphones. This mic delivers in build quality, so now it's time to get it set up, followed by a sound test. So the setup is straightforward as you can imagine. Simply connect the mini USB Type B side into the mic, and then the other side, which is USB Type A, into your computer. Now for the test I'll be using an additional mic condenser for a fair comparison with the other microphone that I'll be comparing it with. And the recording software I'll be using is called Audacity, which is free, easy to use program for beginners and intermediates. So the mic I will be comparing it with is the blue Snowball Ice that I currently use for all my audio recordings. Now there is a slight variance in price of around $12, and this is by no means a which mic should you buy video, but more of a comparison to a well-known popular mic from Blue. I will be doing a pre and post edit sound test of both, so let's jump in and see how these perform against each other. This is a sound test pre-edit using the k678 microphone from Fifine. This is a sound test post-edit using the k678 microphone from Fifine. This is a sound test pre-edit using the Snowball Ice from Blue. This is a sound test post-edit using the Snowball Ice from Blue. So as you can tell, the sound quality is fantastic for its $59 price point. It's clear, sharp, and if you couldn't tell already, the audio for this entire video was captured using this microphone. It's pretty good, right? Personally, I think it's a brilliant entry-level microphone for anyone who's wanting to start making YouTube videos, commentaries, podcasts, just to name a few. Audio in my opinion is the most important part of any video, and the k678 definitely did not disappoint. I will generally be using this as my go-to microphone from now on, as I do think it's better than the Blue Snowball Ice that I've been using up to date. If I can get my hands on the Blue Yeti, then I think that would probably be a better comparison, as it's a slight upgrade in performance compared to the Blue Snowball Ice. If that's something you would like to see, then drop me a Blue Yeti versus a k678 in the comments down below. So that concludes the video guys. I hope you enjoyed my review of the k678 microphone from Fifine, and if you did, be sure to drop me a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and gaming content. As always guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.